Hi, my name is Kalpana. I'm staying in Hyderabad. My daughter's name is Yashika. She is a national level rifle shooter and practicing in Hyderabad. We wanted her to pursue sports and we were looking what kind of sports suitable to her, like it should be unique, and in that between only we were just roaming, like going through nearby area, and we saw a board that shooting academy is opening shortly. So the people asked us to come on the opening day. They were giving the trials for the rifle and pistols. So Yashika also tried the rifle, and for our surprise, when she shoot her first shot, so it went to the center completely. The coach also got very happy, and he said, means we also got very happy. She's doing well. So we also decided to put her in this sport. We have to go so many places to for the coaching and everything. And for this particular thing only, TVS Scooty is very special because my first vehicle is TVS Scooty. So everywhere I am taking her on Scooty only. Initially, I scared to how to drive, but when I sat on Scooty, I felt very comfortable. My legs were reached properly to the ground because the seat height is also very low and it's lightweight. So it gives me confidence. We feel very proud and happy when she wins the medals, but at the same time we feel little tense also because she has to work more hard. She has to do more training. Whatever she does, she tries her best, and we want her to make all of us and India proud. TVS Scooty for me and my daughter is wheels to success.
Hello, my name is Yashika Sriramuj and I am a national level air rifle shooter. So ever since I got into the sport, I have faced many challenges. Challenges like technical issues, a lot of traveling, and it's also very difficult to manage sports and studies. One challenge I faced very recently was a technical issue with my weapon. So it was almost 3 days before my match, and my coach were packing up and we were giving my weapon a check to see if everything was perfect. Then my coach discovered that one part of my weapon was not perfect, it was literally moving. So we spent around 6 hours on it. We tried to fix it, finally it got fixed, and then I finally played my match. It went on well. So the way in which the sport is developing in India, I would like to see myself as an international medalist and as an Olympian in the coming future. So there's a lot of technology involved in sport which is getting better day by day. The sport which we play today is completely different from the one which Abhinav Bindra, Gagan Narang played long ago. So there are a lot of changes happening and I believe there are a lot more to come. The part that I enjoy most in shooting is triggering because I believe you need to put everything into your triggering. Triggering requires a lot of concentration, a lot of focus and a lot of stability most importantly. And also triggering is the very essence of shooting because whatever shot you shoot, whatever the result comes, it depends on how you press the trigger. And I really enjoy about triggering and looking at my score while I shoot.